I love my Mini 2. Was so excited. Got it up in the air, flying Christmas morning. Flew right into the side of the house. Christmas morning, opened up my DJI Mini 2. Very excited. Never expected this as a gift. Hurried up, charged the batteries, did everything I was supposed to do to get it up and flying. And I missed a couple things. First of all, when you first launch the DJI app, it has an option for the replacement insurance. It was $50 for, I think, like 12 or 24 hours. I was so excited, I skipped right through it. I do wish I bought that insurance. Weed whacker. Let it go. It's tempting me to hear it. Okay, here we go. When you're buying your drone, you're going to pay a pretty price. Again, DJIs are not cheap. When this came out, it came out with an option called a Fly More kit. I didn't have the option to buy it. This was a gift. You might want to look at it if you're getting one for yourself or someone you love. The Fly More kit has extra batteries, some extra propellers. Look at it. It's worth it. The batteries alone, I haven't been able to duplicate for $200 yet with the charger. It's a pretty neat package. I would suggest taking a look at it. And then that with the $50 insurance, so you're getting up there. I do have a clip. I was in the woods of Michigan following my nephew on his motorcycle. I tried to do some quick maneuvering and flew right into a tree. I can show that to you. Hit a tree, kind of like off to the side a little bit. Took about a 20-foot tumble. The little gimbal in here for the camera was stuck in like horror movie mode, just constantly. Alright, so I get home from vacation and I decide I'm going to take my drone apart. Watch videos online. It looks really easy. I'm thinking I can do this. I've taken a lot of things apart. Start taking the screws out. Very delicate process. Then I have to separate the plastic from each other. The plastic on this thing is so thin and delicate. I got a little nervous. I usually just use screwdrivers, my Swiss Army knife, whatever I got to get in there and kind of pry it. That was not going to work here. I went to a website called iFixit and bought one of their little tool kits. Came with like these guitar picks, but all these little plastic wedges, they're all at different thicknesses. These, I don't even know what to call these things. It just came in a very generic bag, but they were useful. I lucked out. As soon as I started to pry one side apart, I could hear the little rubber band do its little unspin or whatever was up with it. I stopped taking it apart, put the battery in. As soon as I turned it on, I could see that the gimbal on the camera wasn't doing that thing it kept doing. It's back to normal. Been flying it ever since. I wish I did spend the $50 just for peace of mind. I would recommend that for anybody, even if someone buys the drone for you like they did for me. It's fun. Fly responsible. Don't do anything you're not supposed to do with it. And have fun. It's a great tool. Alright, thanks for watching. Everybody fly safe. Ride safe. It's too cold here to ride. I guess I'm a wimp. And be kind to each other. Thanks. Boo!